Alright, today is October the 12th. We're going to look at doing our final Keltner Pro weekly review. So far we have 8 reviews up on the site, and this will be our 9th. And it's going to cover the week of October the 6th through October the 10th. And we'll go over the previous trades and such closer to the end of the video. But for right now, you guys can see this week's trades. We had a total of 19 trades. We only took 3 losses, and we had lots of our take profits get hit this week. Our first loss came in the USD Swiss franc pair. Second came in the AUD USD pair. And our last loss was down here in the Euro USD pair. So far this month, we're up a total of $1,992.69. So main question I'm sure everybody wants to know is the system profitable? Yes, it has been profitable over my testing period, which is obviously, like I said, the most important question everybody wanted to know. I also want to make sure that they're taking the same trades as we are on the website, so we can look at that right now. Alright, this is the website right here. This is where they started trading for the week. And as you guys can see here, USD Swiss franc, AUD USD, and Euro USD. So we took all the same losses, which is important because we want to make sure that we get the same results that they have. Because obviously over the long run, this is what we want our accounts to look like here, okay? If you click on that link right there, it'll take you to this page. You guys can see what they've done over the past 8 or 9 months. March was huge for the system with a total of 246.88% gains. April was 39%, May 68%, June 24%, July 13%, August 7%, September was 1%, but 1% is still a gain, so it counts. October was 28.20% so far. Today is only the 12th, okay? So it's been consistently profitable, and this is what we're shooting for. This is why we're making sure that every trade they take, we take. There are a lot of companies out there that will try to hide these losing trades to give you guys an inflated sense of how well the system will do, basically to try to sell more systems. But over the past 9 weeks, I've been watching this every day, and they have not done that one single time. So that is obviously a good thing. And if you guys want to see my results, all you have to do is go to the Empire Ambition website, click on the Keltner Pro picture that's there, and just click on the chart, and you guys will come to this site right here, and you can see all the trades that I've taken with the system and everything like that. The next thing I wanted to talk about was a issue that myself and a lot of other people that are testing it have had with this, and that is closing out trades early. This isn't a problem with the software, it's more a problem with myself, greed, because I've noticed that once the market moves in my direction a certain amount, I'll get greedy and I'll say to myself, why not just go ahead and take that profit that you have right now? But every time I've done that, the market has continued to push in the direction of profit, and I would have made a lot more money. So the message I'm basically trying to get across to you guys is just let the system do its job, okay? If you don't, you will regret it. Do not micromanage the system, okay? Basically, we're trying to get these results, okay? And we cannot do that if we go behind the system and start trading for it. Just let it run, and in the long run, I'm sure you guys will be happy with the results that you end up getting from it. Keltner Pro does also offer a 60-day trial. Basically what that means is you have 2 months to test the system out and make sure that it's everything you thought it would be, and if it's not, if you're not profitable, if you don't make money with it, you can simply return it and get your money back. So you're not risking any money, okay, on this software. And that's obviously important because nobody has money to waste. Also, I got an email. They're coming out with a new version of it. It's basically an update that's going to be adding in a trailing stop. And I know a lot of the trades, they go into profit and just sputter around. And that trailing stop is going to help us out a lot, because those trades that end up reversing, now they're going to be able to close in profit, because the system is very good at picking the swings, the directions that the market is going to move. It's just that oftentimes or sometimes the market will move, and like I said, it'll just sputter around before reversing. But now we have a trailing stop in place, the market's going to be able to close out in profit. So basically it's just going to help with the overall profitability of the system, which is obviously a good thing. Also, the customer service has been extremely good. I've contacted Jared several times, and I didn't have any major issues, but I did have a couple questions for him, and he usually gets back to me within a couple hours. So you guys aren't going to have to wait, 2 or 3 days like you will with some companies just to get a response back to a simple question. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was basically my final results. You guys were able to see that. Let me see here. I did end up with $1,992.69 to close out the month. This is going to be, like I said, my last video. And the most important question, as I stated earlier, is the system profitable? And also, do I recommend the program? I'm going to have to say yes. I do recommend the system based on the overall trend of profitability that I've seen, and also on the fact that they haven't tried to skew any of the results. So that gives me a lot of confidence that we're going to be able to see these type of results over the long term. And also the fact that we're pretty much consistently profitable right now, up close to $2,000 for the month, and I'm hoping that that is going to continue for the rest of the month as well. Lastly, if you guys will look below this video, you'll see a link to the product that you can click on that and basically just get more information on it. Or if you decide to buy, they do offer I think a 3-payment plan, so that way it'll break up your payments. It'll be a lot cheaper that way if you want. And also there should be information about the broker that I'm using here, or you can use a broker they recommend on the site. Anyway, this was the last review for the Keltner Pro system, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks and take care.